Hi, this line includes several mounts to answer the need of installing a TV mount on drywall without having to drill or connect to a stud. On the front of the package, you'll see the name of the product and a picture. This particular model is compatible with screens 19 inches to 65 inches. It's a fixed mount with no movements. Also on the package are important features such as maximum weight capacity, distance from the wall, and more. Inside the box, you're going to find complete written assembly and installation instructions along with all the hardware. The hardware is in divided packaging and marked to correspond to the written instructions, making the installation as easy as possible. On the back of the package, there's a lot of technical data, but I want to show you two important reasons I believe Barkan's drywall no stud TV wall mount is the perfect solution. First, the innovation. Barkan TV mounts include a unique patent developed by Barkan. In this product, it's Barkan's patented auto-locking mechanism that prevents disengagement of the screen. The second is the 5-year warranty to take all the worries away. We hope you'll choose our products. We can assure you that you will not regret it if you do.